What will happen if the coronavirus vaccine is never developed? It has happened before. As a country live person in a lockdown and billions of people lose their life, but public figures are testing a breakthrough that would mark the end of the crippling coronavirus pandemic. A vaccine has not been developed yet, but there's another worst case possibility that no vaccine is ever developed. In this outcome, the public hope are repeatedly raised and then dashed as the various proposed solutions fall before the final hurdle. Instead of wiping out COVID-19, society may instead learn to live with it. Cities would slowly open and some freedom will be returned, but on a short leash. If expert recommendations are followed, testing and physical tracing will become part of our life in the short term, but in many countries an abruption instruction to self-isolate could come at any time. Treatment may be developed, but outbreak of the disease could still occur each year, and the global death toll would continue to take upward. Its pathway rarely publicity contents by politicians who are speaking optimistically about human trials already underway to find vaccine, but the possibility is taken very seriously by many experts because it happened before several times. There are some viruses that we still do not have vaccine against, said Dr. David Nabarro, a professor of global health at the Imperial College London, who also served as a special envoy to the World Health Organization on COVID-19. We can't make an absolute assumption that a vaccine will appear at all, or if it does appear, when it will pass all the tests of efficacy and safety. It is absolutely essential that all society everywhere get themselves into a position where they are able to defend against the coronavirus as a constant threat, to be able to go to the social life and economic activity with the virus in the midst. Nabarro tells CNN. Most experts remain confident that COVID-19 vaccine will eventually be developed, in part because, unlike previous diseases like HIV and malaria, the coronavirus does not mutate rapidly. Many, including National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, the director Dr. Anthony Fauci, suggests that it could happen in a year to 18 months. Other figures like England Chief Medical Officer Chris Whitty have veered toward the more distant end of the spectrum, suggesting that a year may be too soon. But even if the vaccine is developed, bringing it to the production in any of those time frames would be never achieved.